Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Christiana and I am Tiana Food and Lifestyle. Today I'll be showing you how I made this mushroom veggie sauce. Simply easy. You can make this any time of the day. I hope you stay with me to the end so we do this together. So I'll be needing all of these ingredients. You can check my description box to see the ingredients I used. I'll be putting it there for you to see. And then all of this is they're all prepared, washed, and ready to use. The first thing I'm going to be doing is slice my onions like so, put it aside, and then get a clean pot, put in a little bit of olive oil, let it heat. While that is heating, I'll put in some seasoning into my chicken like so, and then put the chicken into the pot, another pot. We're going to steam this chicken for 10 minutes. I just drop in one habanero pepper just to give it that little bit spice. And then on the pot heating on very low heat, I put in some onion, some sliced onion, and then put in my mushroom. And I'm going to give this a little bit of mix like so. Stir it until the taste of the onion gets into the mushroom. While that is on low heat as well, go back to my pot of chicken, put in a little bit of water in order to get more juice, cover it, allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. Back to my mushroom pot with onion, and I feel that is well stir fried. Bring it out, put it in a bowl, and set it aside for use later. And then I'll add in more onion, put in a little bit of butter. Do also see the measurements in my description box. And then add in my washed shrimp, put in some squeezed lemon juice, and then bring it to a mix. The lemon juice now is going to help to beat down the taste of the shrimp, even though I'll make sure to fry the shrimp properly. Put in some seasoning, stir fry like that on low heat, and then while that is frying, in another clean pot, put in some sliced onion like so. Allow it to get infused the flavor into the oil. Add in my mushroom, add in my ready shrimp, carrot, bring it to a mix like so. Seasoning, my garlic, diced or grated garlic, my sliced tomato, add it, bring it to a mix. Add in my stock. Now this stock I added a little bit corn flour and then pour it into the pot. Give it a mix like so. Allow it to cook for 10 minutes. Now you have to check for taste to make sure everything is adequately added. If you need to still add any more seasoning, go ahead. And right now I'm bringing in some diced chicken. Just an extra touch. And then I'm putting in my washed broccoli. Now I'm gonna let this broccoli steam in this sauce for 1 minute. You don't want it to get all soft and soggy. You just want it to steam because this is vegetable, so you don't want to mess your vegetables up. So I'm gonna give it a mix like that just to blend in with the sauce for the flavor to go in. By the time I was done with this, the broccoli was still crunchy. That's the whole idea. Okay, and then while that is in, I have to bring in now my bell peppers. I'm using the green and the red, so I'm gonna put it in like so. Give it a mix too. Allow it to steam for 1 minute, and then give it a taste to see, and then add in my spring onion. At this point, you want to turn off the heat and allow it to the steam to finish. Let it simmer, and that is it. So this is what you get at the end of the cooking. And we took this with basmati rice. You can have this like soup. You can just enjoy this. We also made sure to add it with fried plantain by the side. We air fried our plantain, and then we just had it like so. It was really good. So you can give this a try. Leave in the comment section. Let's know how yours turned out. If you are new to this channel, I just want to say thank you. And if you're a returning subscriber, I just want to say thank you for being a part of my community, and see you in my next video. Bye.